In this step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can use Ali reviews on Shopify. This is going to be a step-by-step tutorial, like I said. Now, first thing you need to do, guys, of course, you want to log into your Shopify store. And after that, you want to click on settings at the very bottom left. And you want to click, guys, on apps and sales channels. And you want to click on Shopify App Store in the top right. It's going to take you guys to your Shopify App Store here. You want to search for Ali reviews. Okay, so that's the first step you need to do, guys. You want to search for Ali reviews. And as you can see, we'll find like multiple apps that are named Ali reviews. As you can see, this one, if you want like to import product, like import reviews from AliExpress, you can do this. But the one I like the most, it's called this app. It's called Ali Reviews, Kodos Reviews. It's built for Shopify. Click on it. Like a lot of people have downloaded this app. Okay, it also has like a free plan available. I'm going to show you guys step by step on how you can use this app. You want to click on install, of course. That's the first step. And in the next page, you want to confirm. Just again, click on install. Okay, now in the next page, guys, what you need to do, guys, next is you want to just pick a plan here. As you can see, it says here, bring your ideas to life. I'm going to click on save here, and I'm going to go back. Here it says one simple plan, unlock all advanced features. Okay, so first make sure you click here on monthly, and you can also click on view all super features, and you can see the features of this if you want. Okay, you can see all the features that the super plan offers. Of course, if you don't want, you can just ignore this and you can use it. As you can see, you can click on start like 10-day free trial. Click on it, and you don't really have to pay now, so you will only charge you after 10 days. Okay, so click on approve. And if you don't like the app, you can always delete it inside the Shopify settings. Okay, so after you are on this page, what you guys need to do, you want to click here. It says enable app embed. You want to click on enable app embed. It will just take you guys to your Shopify editor, if that makes sense. Like it will take you here where you can enable the app on your Shopify theme, I believe. Okay, so you just need to toggle this on, as you can see, and make sure you click on save in the top right. A lot of people forgot to click on save, and the reviews don't appear on the product page because this isn't enabled the app. Okay, so as you can see, guys, after you enable the app, you want to click on add review box. Okay, you want to click on add review box, and it will take you again to the theme editor where you can enable it. Okay, as you can see, this is the app. As you can see, if you cannot see it, you can just click on add block and select Kodos review box, and after that you want to click on save. Now if you can see here Kodos already Kodos review box, that's good. Just click on save in the top right. Okay, nice. Now after you click on save, you want to go back, and now you want to click on here. It says import reviews. Okay, so you will find here all your products, or your Shopify products will be shown here, will appear here. It says here add Kodos extension. Kodos extension helps you import reviews smoothly from AliExpress, Amazon. Take the following 2 steps. Click on add to Chrome to install Kodos extension. Reload this page after adding the extension. Okay, we are going to do that. Click on add to Chrome. It's going to take you guys to Chrome Web Store to add the extension on your browser. Click on add to Chrome and click on add the extension. And next thing you need to do, guys, you want to pin the extension in the top. You want to click on extensions icon in the top right, and you want to pin this extension. Click on this pin button here. Okay, nice. Now after that, you want to go back to the app. I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to reload the page, or like as you can see, reload this page. Nice. Now after you do this, guys, what you guys see, as you can see, you will find here all your Shopify products here. Okay, so if you click here on import reviews next to the product, as you can see, which product you want to add reviews to, that's exactly what I mean. Okay, so for example, I want to add reviews to this new product which I have added from Alibaba. Okay, I'm going to click next to it. You will see this button that says import reviews. Okay, nice. Now after, guys, you click on import reviews, you will be able to import reviews from different websites like Amazon or AliExpress. Okay, so the AI technology used by this app will help you find that exact product on AliExpress. Okay, if it's available, for example, on AliExpress. You can also click on add review source. You can manually add review sources or get suggested by EI. Okay, git sources suggested by EI. Now if you if that's the product that you want to get the reviews from, like you can just click on it and you can see it inside the AliExpress account. As you can see, if it's the exact same product, then that's good. You can just click on import, because this AI makes mistakes sometimes. Okay, you want to click on import, and as you can see, it is importing. I just need to give it a few seconds. As you can see, 3 reviews has been imported. You can just click, you just go to your own Shopify store, and I'm going to go to my Shopify store right now. I'm going to click on products, and I'm going to search for that product which I have added recently. And as you can see, this is the product. Okay, now we will see the reviews inside the product. Of course, it will take some time. It's not going to appear immediately. This is going to take some time, guys. Now if it doesn't appear, you can just open the product in a new tab, because you cannot see your own reviews. Like only customers will be able to see the reviews inside the product page. So yeah, that's exactly how this works. As you can see, 3 reviews has been imported. I'm also going to import these reviews. As you can see, I'm going to import other reviews from other AliExpress products. Okay, I'm going to click on import all. If you can import all the reviews if you want. As you can see, this like 1000 reviews per import. You can import like 1000 reviews. Okay, as you can see, total reviews here is 7. Now when I click on collect reviews, okay, so here you can do like multiple things, like manual request. You can add like discount setting. You can see auto request. As you can see, request, if you click on request dashboard, like email review requests, you can just customize this. Now if you click on manage reviews here, you will be able to see all the reviews here. Okay, so what you guys need to do is you want to click all the product reviews, and make sure you publish them, so that you will be published. If they are not published automatically, if you can see this published and it's great, that means the reviews are already published. Now if you can see this published 20 reviews, you want to click on it and click on publish. Okay, now after you click on publish, then these reviews will be published, as you can see. Now if you click on show reviews, you will be able to change templates, like if you want to change it to review pop-up or star rating. I always like the review box, which is like the active one. I have enabled it. You can customize it as you want. You want to click on customize, and you can change multiple things here. Like for example, if you want the widget layout to show as a list or slider, as you can see, you can also disable something you don't like for example, show media section. You can disable it if you want and click on save. Okay, you can also customize the text, as you can see here. Now if you click here on settings and pricing, you can just click here on, for example, you can review notification will be sent to this email, which is my email. You can also click on integration if you want to integrate it with something, with other apps, like find, import app products, fulfill orders automatically. I believe a lot of people that are going to watch this video, they will not care about this it's like feature. Okay, if that makes sense. Okay, so I'm going to go to the product page, as you can see. And now you will be able to see the reviews inside the product page. Okay, so that's exactly what you need to do, guys. As you can see, which product we have imported reviews to, which is this product. As you can see, we have imported 7 reviews, and you can check these reviews. Okay, I'm going to check, like if the reviews don't appear, I'm going to show you guys how you can like make them appear on the product page. Okay, okay, just need to click here and you will see all the reviews. As you can see, I'm going to click on this, and as you can see, you will find all the reviews that you have imported to your own Shopify products. Okay, these are the reviews. Now if the reviews don't appear, you want to go to your own Shopify store and click on online store, and you want to click on customize, and after that you want to click on here. It is like you want to click on products and click on default products, and you want to click here. It says add the block, and you want to click on apps, and you want to click on Kodos review box. Okay, and you want to click on save, and that's it, guys. Okay, you can also click on add block, click on apps, and you can add, for example, Kodos a review in cart. If you want to appear reviews in a cart, you can do that. Okay, I'm going to click on Cuddles star rating, click on save. Depends if what template you have used. After that, you want to click on save, and that's exactly, guys, how you can add reviews to your own Shopify store using this app. If this video, guys, helped you, please drop a like. As you can see, I'm going to click on the products and they will show you guys the reviews now will appear on the product page. As you can see, we have imported 7 reviews. As you can see, these are the reviews. You can see all the customer reviews if you want. Now the reviews take some time to appear on the product page. Okay, now by the way, these reviews will only be shown to customers. I'm going to open this product in a new tab. Like I said, the reviews take some time to appear on the product page. I would say like a few minutes. Just give it a few minutes and the reviews will appear on the product page. Okay, so yeah, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Any question you have, ask me in the comments. I will reply to you guys within a few minutes. See you guys in the next video. Please drop a like on this video and see you guys in the next video.